Should we have what I should we have? Dancing lit up the candle and to show it away. To repulse his down the cloudy dawn. I do not hear to sing. We're back to the hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, lovely place. Living a blue like the hotel California. Any time of year, you can find it here. The night is behind Christmas. She got the Mercedes Benz. Oh, she got a lot of pretty, pretty boys. She comes back. Holidays and the courtyard. Sweet summer sweat. Some days to remember. Some days to forget. So I call up the captain. Please bring me my wife. He said, we haven't had that spirit here since 1969. And still those bodies are calling from far away. Wake you up in the middle of the night just to hear them say, we're coming to the hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely place. We're living it up at the hotel California. What a nice surprise, what a nice surprise. Bring you in the light. Mirrors in the ceiling, the pictures below nice. She said, we are just prisoners here of our own device. And the rest of the tables together for the peace. Started with the silly night, but the chill spirit getting to peace. Last thing I remember, I was running for the door. I had to pay the pieces back to the place I was before. Well, I said the night back, we are broken twisted. You can cheat on any time of life, but you can never leave.
Ya, mulai godang Hotel Californianya mulai godang buat live Manurung dengan tulang